Hi guys, I want to dye my hair. This is the dye that I am using. Nisha. Flame red is the color. And then because my hair is black, this is the outcome I am expecting. Maroonish. So, as you can see, my hair ilikuwa imeshukwa zinaitwaje? Mini twist. I had done them. So, I have these hair bands. Nitaigawanyisha for sections. I'm only dyeing my edges, so that is why I want to hold it like that. I don't need it tight. Let me get gloves, and then I mix. I have a black glove, so I'll I'll snip them like that. I'll be using this glove only one hand. I don't have two. That is how it looks with the developer, and because I don't have a brush to mix this glove, so no, this is what I'll be using to mix. And then using the same hand to my light to apply. Okay, mix. I want it only on the edges. Okay. Damian Green. It doesn't have a problem, like sitaki kwa nywele yote, you get my lights. Okay, na nikipaka ukuta. Let me stay there so that I can avoid the wall. I know when my friend sees this, she will be mad at me because of applying dye. But sometimes you need some things for healing. Zaitun, najua utakasirika. Because she always tells me that hizi ni vitu za kuharibu nywele. But hiyo nywele nataka iharibike leo. Unaona, like how you feel, you just need some healing. Oh, look at my hairband that was white in color. And then I'm supposed to leave it like that for 30 minutes. But sasa, na scrub everything. Hapa nyuma, I don't have a problem with my back becoming like maroon yote. I've never used this dye, so I don't know about the results. So let's wait for the results together. I'll be back after 30 minutes so that I can wash and then show you the results. Whatever dancing that style, that is only God knows. So 35 minutes, I think, almost 40 minutes are over. Tangu nipake. And because they have said you stay with it for 30 minutes, I'm just going to wash it and then we see the results together. Okay, Damian. Okay, so let me wash it. Wangwena, I've just dyed my hair. Najua nimeloa maji na sijaoga, sijipanguzi. So, I'm going to apply this. This is leave-in treatment with castor oil and menthol. The reason is why I bought it, it's because of the menthol. I was on a very tight budget into Marigold Beauty. Let us try it. It's a treatment. Because of course, tumetesa nywele and we are going to apply a very huge amount, guys. Oh my days. You guys. I'm going to apply like that and then I am going to rub it inside. And then we're going to let my hair dry. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Am I proud? Yes. Am I happy? Yes. It's a proud moment. Can I do this again? Yes. Leave-in. After applying the leave-in, that is the results.